Hi, welcome to the market alert for Thursday the 10th of August 2017. So yesterday both the charts, the pound and the Dow, look very similar actually. First trade of the session, you can see here the market filled this, prices moved higher, filled the order and then traded sideways. And if we have a look at the Dow, we see a very similar picture there. You can see the market doing also the very same thing there. You've got the market filling and then just trading sideways. So not a lot. I mean, it's very quiet. It is as if Tuesday had been swapped for Wednesday, because this is the sort of activity, given the first 2 weeks of the summer halls, that you would see in a Tuesday trading session and not a Wednesday, especially with the crude oil report coming out as well. So going back to the pound, the market sideways, eventually the market stopping the trade out. You see there sideways, not doing a lot. You look at the daily chart, it's also sideways to lower. We've got the recent low. Watch to see if this is taken out, and the reason for all of this of course is the dollar's rallying, and I did show you this in the dollar index that the dollar was at a crucial area where it could find support and move to the up. And here you can see prices coming off the 93.16 level and this 92.52, and then of course we had the 91.88 for the dollar index as well. So you can see support all the way through this area, which is why you're seeing the pound move to the downside there. I'll just go back to the pound, and you can see why we've had this bit of a move to the downside here over the last few days. In the Dow, so yesterday's session sideways as well. I say they just sort of paralleled each other yesterday. Quite amazing that they were within the same sort of trading range of 50 points, just very quiet. And in the daily chart at the moment, this market is struggling to move back up to the upside to that 76% that we drew in yesterday. No sign of that happening at the moment, and in fact if we get a break below the low of yesterday, we'll see prices move towards the downside there, which is a shame, because it'd be great to actually see the market rally up first, fail there, and then sell off. That would be the ideal situation. In news, what have we got? It's to say it's the first 2 weeks of the summer halls, and it's always difficult because it goes very quiet. Have we got anything out in the UK? We've got quite a bit out today actually. We've had the RICS House Price Index, and then we're off to we've got construction output there. We've got trade balance, manufacturing production. All of these are out at 9:30. So a lot of bit of a pickup there, and still more. We've got the manufacturing figures out as well at 9:30, and then we've got GDP estimate also out at 1 p.m. and then we're off to the US for unemployment claims, PPI, and Dudley's being wheeled out to speak. Then there's a lot out today. Wow, that should cheer things up a bit and bring a bit of life to the markets, although they're low impact news items. Medium for Dudley, but the rest are low. But it might just help just to pick the market up. We could see the market move back to the upside then if Dudley's speaking. Always quite bullish on the market, and the other news items are out before the market opens there. Right, let's have a quick look at the implied. So strange things happening in the implied volatility again. We've got 812 and 812, which is very strange. We had this a few days ago as well down at this level. I think it was 729 when we had 2 days the same as well. So an interesting thing there in the implied volatility, especially given that the market barely traded yesterday. But again, there's that concern, and they certainly didn't drop it down to anywhere near where you would think they would drop it. And that's probably because they're concerned about what could be around the corner with Korea and other geopolitical things going on at the moment as well. So really that's it. So today we could see a bit of an uptick in activity, certainly after 1:30 with all of the news being released and the forward GDP figures for the UK at 1 PM in the UK as well. Right, that'll do it for this one, and if there's anything to report I will let you know. Other than that, as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.